Hey guys, Mr. Short here. It is Monday. Today is November the 2nd, and we're actually starting the 12th week of school this year. Okay, so this week, what you guys are going to be working on, you're going to be working in Paxton, Patterson, and I'm actually going to do another Zoom meeting earlier this week. I'm going to do one this afternoon for any of our remote students that are still having problems or needing help getting logged into their Paxton Patterson account or creating their Paxton Patterson account. So I'm going to do a Zoom meeting this afternoon for you guys. But for this week, what we're going to do, what you need to do is log into your Paxton Patterson account, and you're going to go up here to the little kind of our home button is what I like to call it. CSD, Computer Science Discoveries, Fall 2020. You're going to click on that. We completed student introduction last week. If you have not done that, you need to go back and watch last week's video and complete that. So we're going to go, we also did our distance learning start here module last week. This week we're going to do preparing for emergencies and home safety and security. So the first thing you're going to want to do this week is go click on preparing for emergencies. And there's a couple pages here you're going to complete. Okay, once you complete those, it'll take you once you complete that, it will take you to home safety and security. There's several steps there. There's home safety and security, home inspections, home safety measures, child safety and childproofing, chemicals and poisoning, home security, and then there's a fire safety and escape plan activity you will complete. Okay, those are the two sections in Paxton Patterson's distance learning that we're going to complete this week. Again, we're going to our distance learning, we're going to complete preparing for emergencies and home safety and security. Okay, that's our assignment for the week. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Like I said, we'll do a Zoom session this afternoon. I'm going to be sending that out in an email here this morning. I'm also going to be sending that out in Canvas, a Canvas message as well. So you guys should be getting that this afternoon. Again, that's for our really any student that needs help, remote, cohort B, cohort A. I'll see you guys today. If you happen to be a cohort A student who is not in school today and you're getting online this morning, feel free to log into that Zoom session this afternoon. And that's really just to go over and help anybody that's still struggling getting their account set up or getting logged into Paxton Patterson. Okay. All right. Well, listen, you guys have a great day. And if you have any questions, just feel free to shoot me an email. All right. Thank you.